I want to share a happy shipping experience with you today. It's sealed air packing from FedEx. Machines are notoriously tricky to ship, easy to break the ends on them. Plastic peanuts and the like don't do the job people think they will do because things shift around so much within the box and shipping. So FedEx has come up with this sealed air idea, and since I am having a rare knitting machine shipped, I thought I would give it a try. It is not cheap. It's a premium product, but it certainly seems to have worked. My box did arrive dinged up, as they so often do, not abused terribly, just with a normal amount of bruises. And here we are unboxing it. Here's our first look at what they mean by sealed air. They appear to have surrounded the box my friend created with their own product that is not continuously wrapped, but it would be hard to shift it around within the box enough to expose the machine. The friend who shipped me this machine knows and cares as much as Jack and I do about knitting machines. So she did a fantastic job of her own packing prior to finding FedEx to do this. They do have a large enough box, I think it's the largest they have, to accommodate what she did. And you will see us reversing the packing process so that you could replicate it starting at the end of the movie. She wrapped with 2 whole layers of home insulating foam taped into place around the machine box. Her foam is thick too, and before applying the foam, she had wrapped in bubble wrap, and underneath that you will see a layer of cellophane. I think that was smart because it holds the original case that the machine comes in together. You might think those cases would automatically stay together during shipping, but we have seen hinges sprung and latches sprung, so this was smart. I'm pretty sure anybody who's had occasions to ship machines very often has had at least one tragedy and disappointment. And the sad thing is, even if it's well insured, how do you replace an irreplaceable machine? And then you still have to find one and have it shipped to you again. So here we are down to the actual original box. And I'm so excited to see what the machine looks like in there. This one is in such good shape, it even has its original manual in perfect condition. And here finally is the big moment. Out comes the machine. And you will notice both latches are still securely latched and both hinges are still in good condition. And inside, my friend also did some wrapping with cellophane and bubble wrap for further protection, and this all worked. Both ends are in great condition. The row counter is in perfect shape. Usually on a vintage machine, you need to replace whatever kind of movement dampener they use. Sponge bar is common. Coronas use something different, but it looks like this one is tight enough that I'm ready to lubricate it, run it upstairs, and give it a try. I am just delighted, and soon you will be able to enjoy a series of videos made on this machine, including some free patterns. Based on this experience, I would definitely recommend looking into the FedEx sealed air shipping method.